In our trader rundown today, I am joined by Tim Biggam of Options Insider, here to talk about this market. And we keep hearing these rumblings that there's going to be this big correction. We've had a nice rally in the stock market. People are thinking, whoa, is there more to go, or will we come tumbling down? What's your trader instinct on this?
Yeah, I think somewhere in between is where I think it'll kind of settle out. I think we're consolidating here. I think a pullback, but as far as looking for that big, kind of crash scenario, interest rates are still cheap. Stocks are still, fairly cheap up at these levels, certainly on a pullback. So given the fact we're really very quiet, I look for a pullback, maybe 3 to 5% at most, but certainly given the Trump rally, not to be unexpected.
So that might be like a back and fill, where the market comes back and then starts to move forward again.
Absolutely pull back to about 50% of that Trump train gain, if you will, and then level off around there.
Let's talk about some individual stock names now. Tim is looking at Target. So what do you see happening here?
Yeah, Target actually seeing they came out with some pretty bad guidance last week. Stock got hammered down about 10%. Very long-term support at 62.50. Dividend yield almost 4%, so well above the market dividend yield. PE at 11, so I like that combination. I'm selling the put spread. Regular February's just to be a buyer on a dip here and also be hedged.
And then energy, you have a play in the energy patch.
Yeah, absolutely. NRG Energy has seen just repeated call buying. When I see that, it kind of perks my interest. So this is a stock that has some takeover chatter along with it. So I'm doing a simple buy right trade. Stock's fairly cheap, so I'm buying the stock, selling the June 17 calls where the big buyer has been paying. They're kind of overpaying for those calls, so I'm capturing a little of that. Also positioning bullishly along with them. Just looking for the stock to either level off and I capture the premium or continue on.
There is a hot stock in this market. It's aluminum. What do you think about this company? It's just been going gonzo here.
Yeah, absolutely. This is one of those stocks where you, I guess, try not to think. The stock's up almost 100% since mid-January, up 12 days in a row now. We're just seeing enormous call volume as momentum comes in. I'm getting a little bit contrarian blood flowing here, so I'm buying some at-the-money puts. Just looking for this thing to pull back, given the magnitude of this enormous kind of parabolic gain.
And the ticker is CENX.
CENX, Century Aluminum, absolutely.
Thank you. Have a great trading day.
You too. Thanks, Ann.